The angel's message for you today. Archangel Michael brings a message filled with light and hope. Throughout your life, you have faced and overcome countless challenges, transforming battles into victories that have marked your path of growth. Sometimes, in the whirlwind of life, it's easy to forget how much you've progressed. But if you look back, you'll see a path illuminated by your achievements, a testament to your innate strength. You are a natural victor, although you may not always realize that many of the struggles you face are a reflection of your own vibrations. Herein lies a powerful truth. You hold the key to overcoming any challenge that comes your way. By elevating your vibration, you invite your spiritual guides to open the doors of triumph for you. Archangel Michael envisions joy in your eyes, not only because you've learned the lesson, but because you now understand the path. Your greatness, your wonderful life, and your power reside within you. It's time to withdraw your energy from those humans to whom you've given your power, and instead, strengthen your inner self and your connection with Almighty God. No matter what you're going through, the path from today forward becomes easier with faith in your guides, the archangels, and with my transforming light. Remember, your power doesn't lie in external circumstances or the people around you. Your true power comes from within, from your connection to the divine, and from the light residing in your soul. By focusing on this inner power, nurturing it, and allowing it to shine, you deactivate any external force that tries to divert you from your path. Close your eyes and repeat this affirmation of gratitude and power with me. I give thanks for all the blessings received and for those that are on the way. So it is. It is done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I will always be with you, Archangel Michael. I'm thrilled with this message. It's a reminder of your strength, your greatness, and your infinite potential. You're here to shine your light, to live a life of love, peace, and abundance, and to be a witness to the transformative power of your faith. Trust in your guides, trust in Archangel Michael, elevate your vibration, and above all, trust in yourself. The path to your true essence is clear and illuminated by the light of your being. Wishing you a wonderful day, I am Zoe. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.